That's $20 trillion of global wealth that has been destroyed just because of rising rate environment and removing the stimulus, either fiscal or monetary stimulus, from the system. The unit bias that humans have. Why would I buy a Bitcoin at $24,000 when I can buy the shitcoin XRP at 32 cents, right? Like, whoa, XRP's got to be cheap because it's trading at 32 cents. Again, failed mathematics, failed concept of market cap versus utility versus unit trading price. So it's going to be a hard lesson. It's like penny stocks are never going away. They're never going away. It doesn't mean you should go out and buy every single penny stock. No. It's the same thing with digital assets that oh, I'm the better blockchain. Well, yeah, you are until you aren't. But you can always sell hope and a prayer in a capitalist system, particularly when you have founders tokens and all this bullshit that incentivize people to go out and promote the new, latest, greatest DeFi. But let's move it to the economic level right now. Okay, this is important because financial assets in total are melting down as well. Why are they melting down? Leverage is being removed from the system. Quantitative tightening is removing the amount of bonds that are being purchased by the various central banks around the world, and they're trying to fight inflation. Okay, they did a horrible job of managing the risk profile of the economy. They printed money out the wazoo and did fiscal policy that tried to expand the economy at times when there were supply chain screw ups. There were also the fact that many of the kids don't want to work these days because they're very happy to sit at home and play video games because the government put money into their bank accounts. Well, fuck, then you don't get people to work, and at the end of the day, you get rising wages and you get inflationary pressures. So the Fed is trying to react to that by raising short-term interest rates. They've done two short-term interest rate increases, and the stock markets are off more than 20% year to date. That's $20 trillion of global wealth that has been destroyed just because of rising rate environment and removing the stimulus, either fiscal or monetary stimulus, from the system. We've only done 2, and they're anticipating another 14 equivalent rate hikes of 0.25% or higher. Right now, they're job owning in the Wall Street Journal, which is leaking this stuff, and their stupid job owning reporter leaking this stuff on the behalf of the Fed. Oh, they might do 75 basis points to work that into, not surprising the markets. Well, heck, you're surprising them because you've done such a horrible job of managing inflation. Inflation didn't decrease last month, it actually increased. And if you measure true inflation, it's much closer to probably 15% annualized than the 8.6%.